Good morning internet, it is 7:03 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am now in a town called Belén in Argentina and today I'm riding to another town called El Peñón. I don't really want to get the map out because I really want to get going because I think today is going to be a very hot day. So I want to make the most of riding in the morning. To El Peñón it is 200 kilometers and I think I'm just gonna look for accommodation there. Drop some stuff maybe and then do some local exploring, which will be another 75 kilometers riding off-road or on the dirt track I think. So in total that should be like around 275 kilometers I think. I just had a very quick breakfast, some yogurt with muesli which I bought last night. So I'm also ready to go, so let's go! Hola!
Yeah, see, I'm now at 3,200 meters altitude. To be honest, I didn't realize I was going to climb so much today. I thought actually that I was riding straight into a desert. Oh, this is quite nice. Look, these are vicuñas. They are not guanacos. They're a little bit smaller than guanacos. It's the first time I see them. going to make sure I have a place to stay tonight before I go explore. So let's check this place. This looks nice.
They have a room so I can stay here. It's also a really nice place. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm gonna do some exploring. I'm going to ride to Campo Piedra Pomes, which is 36 kilometers from here, and they told me that it's quite sandy. So I'm just going to air down my tires a little bit now and then ride there and back. I am now still at 3,500 meters here in El Peñón, and El Campo Piedra Pomes is sitting at 3,200, so it's a little bit lower but still pretty high. Okay, let's take some air out of the tires.
Alright, let's go. It is now 11:15, so it's still quite early. Hola. Buen día.
¿De dónde está viniendo?
Hoy
Ajá,
de Belén.
de Belén. ¿Se dirige?
Voy a Campo de Piedra Pomes y me quedo acá esta noche.
Permíteme su carnet de conducir.
Sí. Okay. Ciao. First time anybody asked for my driver license. Okay. Only for 4x4. Yeah. The road is kind of gone. It's just tracks everywhere.
What an incredible place, right? I put on my sunglasses because the sun is super bright here, and it's also starting to get a little bit hot, even though I'm still above 3,000 meters altitude. It's now around noon, so I'm starting to get a little bit hot. I just wanted to stop here and then I go back. You hear how quiet it is? There's nobody. Look. great, right? And this is a really special place. The white rock you see behind me, that is pumice. So this whole site is called Campo de Piedro Pomes, which means pumice. So all this rock is from volcanic origin, and I believe it is shaped like this just because of wind erosion. It can be quite windy here. Now it's absolutely no wind, which is nice. But yeah, what a unique place. And then just the ride to here, you know, you had the red mountains and then black volcano, and it's spectacular. It's nothing less than spectacular. I'm now going to ride back. It'll take me about an hour again, I think. You know, some parts are so sandy, so I can see why they told me in the hostel that I have to be a bit careful. But now my tires are really low on air, so it's perfectly fine, but still I have to be a bit careful. But what a place.
Look at this. Wow, this contrast is just amazing. Like this dark, black, reddish volcanic sediments, and then over there you have these white dunes. Amazing. Small break. I have to stand on the pegs the whole time, and it's all this sandy washboard, so it's a bit tiring riding, but slowly making my way through it. And we are back on the main road. It's only 8.5 kilometers back into El Peñón. Oh, poor Dano got a proper 60-kilometer washboard beating. I'm sorry, but we did it. Loads and loads of sand without dropping Dano. I am so proud of myself. I had a few close calls, but no drops. So.
Alright, I'm back at the guest house, but now I'm just preparing Dano for the next ride. I'm almost out of petrol, and the next petrol station is 65 kilometers from here. So I'm just gonna put in some extra petrol from the petrol cans, and from here to that petrol station, that's 65 kilometers, that's paved. But after that it's all unpaved again. But I don't want to ride 65 kilometers with so little air in my tires, because I aired them down. So I'm also going to put in some extra air again in my tires. And then if necessary, after the 65 kilometers, if I'm on the dirt road again, I can take some out. But for now I'll just put a little bit back. So the Dano is all clean and ready for the next ride. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.